Hey guys, it's Coach Goo here. We're going to do some examples and we're going to start with some finding side problems. So let's do a finding side problem. If this is not the same question that's on yours, then just follow the process. This is more to understand the process, not just to copy answers, which I know some of you do. Alright, so finding sides, we're going to do the star question first. First things first, let's just go ahead and write SOHCAHTOA at the top. That's going to help us. So get in the habit of doing this, guys and gals. Next, label the sides. Hypotenuse is across from the 90-degree angle. Opposite is across from the angle we're given or looking for, opposite. And then adjacent is the leftover side. So I always go hypotenuse, then opposite, and then whatever's left over is adjacent. Okay, now let's look at the two sides we're working with here. One, they gave us the opposite. We're looking for the hypotenuse. Which one uses opposite and hypotenuse? That's going to be the SO and SOHCAHTOA, which means sine. So we're going to write sine of, and then it's going to be the degrees they gave us, which is 39. 39 equals opposite, 9.4, over hypotenuse, x. So this is going to take two steps because x is on the bottom. First, we're going to multiply both sides by x. That's going to cancel it out on the right side, bam, and then leave us with sine x, sine of 39 equals 9.4. Next, we want to get x alone, so we're going to divide by sine of 39. That will cancel out the sine of 39 on the left side and give us our answer, which is going to be x equals 9.4 divided by sine of 39. So put that in the calculator, 9.4 divided by sine of 39, and your answer is 14.94. Boom! That is one example. Let's do another one, shall we? Let's do the heart, which is right under that star. So if you look at this one, first things first, once again, I'm going to go ahead and write SOHCAHTOA. And then we're going to label our sides. Hypotenuse across from the 90-degree angle. Opposite across from the angle that's given to us. And adjacent is what's left over. Now, which two sides are we working with? We're working with hypotenuse and the opposite. Which function uses opposite and hypotenuse? That's going to be SO, which is sine. So sine of 47 equals opposite x over hypotenuse 39. This is one step because x is on top. We just multiply both sides by 39. That cancels out the divided by 39 on the right side and leaves us with our answer, which is 39 sine of 47 equals x. And if you put that in the calculator, you're going to get 28.52. We're going to do one finding angles problem because all of these problems work the same. So there's really no point in doing more than one for you. All right, here we go. Let's do first things first. Once again, SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Okay. And label the sides. Hypotenuse is across from the 90-degree angle. Opposite is across from the x, which is the degrees here. They didn't give it to us. And they didn't use theta. Lame. And then adjacent is what's left over. All right, circle the two sides that they gave you. That's going to be adjacent and hypotenuse. Which one of the functions uses adjacent and hypotenuse? That's going to be the ka in SOHCAHTOA, which means cosine. So it's going to be cosine of x, because we don't know what the degrees are, equals adjacent 8 over the hypotenuse, which is 12. Now we just want to get rid of the cosine that's attached to the x, so we're going to take the inverse cosine of both sides. And that's going to leave me, that's going to cancel out the cosine on the left side and leave you with x equals the inverse cosine of 8 over 12. And if you put that in the calculator, the trusty La Calculadora, that's going to give you 48.19 degrees. Alright guys, so that's the end of the examples. Finish the rest on your own. Get as much done as you can. And until next time, I guess you'll hear me in the next one. Peace.